Ngikubingelela mbukelo ngiphina ngamukela kwesimanje sikulethela zona iy'ndaba ey'fika ngaso-ke isikhathi sekungene-ke umbiko wokuthi-ke siyibike ngempela-ke isimo kuyena-ke laphana-ke umlingisi-ke owayelingisa kulona-ke uzalo laphana-ke ubaba-ke uGlenn-ke wakhona laphana-ke kwaGabela-ke owazakhela-ke igama ngokuba-ke umfundisi umdletshe laphana-ke emidlalweni onotanda kubukwa laphana-ke uzalo udinga-ke isizo lwempilo noma usizo lwabezempilo njengoba-ke izolo kwentambama kusabalele-ke ividiyo yakhe laphana ezinkundleni zokuxhumana ekhombisa-ke isimo esingesihle laphana-ke ngempilo yakhe ekhombisa-ke indlu lapha-ke ahlala khona njengomlingisi-ke owayelingisa laphana-ke kuzalo-ke noma kumabonakude-ke asikho isimo esihle-ke njengoba esivelile kuleya vidiyo njengomlingisi-ke onemali-ke osicabanga ukuthi ngempela-ke ungabe-ke uhlala-ke ezindaweni-ke ezi-right mbukeli. Nansi-ke ividiyo yakhe-ke ubaba-ke uGlenn Gabela ngayo-ke le vidiyo yakhe lapha-ke esitshengisa khona lapha ahlala khona njengayo-ke le ndlu-ke mbukeli-ke engizothi-ke ngikushiye nayo-ke ividiyo. Siyabonga.
Is this what our actors are subjected to? Impilo nje nayi award yakhe Glenn Gabela. Ngicela nibuke indawo ahlala kuyo. Ngicela nibuke indawo uGlenn ahlala kuyo.
I want a decent life. I want to live decently like every normal person, you know what I'm saying? Which is why in Zalama attempts I'm trying to engage nabantu, you know what I'm saying? I want to grow the film industry so that these young up-and-coming performers don't end up like us. You know what I'm saying? I want for their lives to be better. I don't want for them I mean, you listen to the stories of all the veteran actors, right? When they pass, you listen to the stories told, you know, how they struggled, you know what I'm saying? And almost all of us, when we reach this age, you reach a stage where, you know, we Mate, it's a pity that angikwazi ukucela, you know what I'm saying? Ukucela for me now, it's very hard. It's very hard.
South Africa exists, right?
That's all I need. Just to live decently. I don't need to be rich or anything. You know what I'm saying? I just need to live a decent life. You know what I'm saying? I need to live decently.
South Africa, this is our icon. So nathi asinani size nalokho size nakho. It's not a lot, but please reach out to him. Akukuhle nezi. Please, any assistance. I should be worried about that. Thank you. Sorry. Bukan Batan. Bukan. Amans. He needs help.